The Family Law Department in Lacy, Katzen covers a wide variety of different topics, different issues. A large emphasis is on divorce and separation, but we also cover family court matters, custody matters, adoptions, pretty much anything that deals with the family. Family law area is always changing. It does require a good deal of diligence and keeping up to date. In many family law matters, particularly divorces, judges will try very hard to try to resolve the issues, to try to come to some agreement so that the parties are able to walk away. In that context, it's important to understand what direction a judge typically takes on a typical issue. The best way to keep involved in that is to have matters in front of judges, to have conferences with judges, to speak with the judges, and to understand how they would perceive various issues. Compassion is absolutely essential, at least to our vision of the practice. Empathy, understanding how people feel, how they come to our office to ask for assistance. In many family law areas, especially divorces, we're dealing with every aspect of someone's life. Their children, their home, their retirement. These are very important things to all of us. It can be intimidating, it can be frightening. A divorce or a separation is never a pleasant situation for anyone. In almost every situation, people walk away from it a little numb, a little overwhelmed. We like to let people feel, number one, we've been there before. I'm fond of saying this is a journey, and we're at the beginning of the journey, and I can't exactly tell you the path it will take, because there are many forks in the road, many different choices. But in every case, we get to the end of the journey. I'm happiest when clients come back later and say, you really helped me get through that very difficult time. You helped me navigate that journey. I think the motto, passion for people, is more important in the family law practice than perhaps it is in any other practice in the firm. That's all we deal with is individuals, people. And consequently, it is really important to be understanding of what their needs are. We will always take the direction of our clients. And if they do not want to address something or they want to resolve something more quickly, that's up to them. They make the decisions. But it's our job to let them know what the issues are that are being left on the table, what we should be discussing. And if you can give them some idea of how this could go, how this might go, how this very well may go, and also an awareness that if we take turns that we are not expecting, they'll be aware of them. They'll see them coming. They will have heard of them before. It adds to the comfort level in addressing the situations. The ultimate goal for a client is to reach a resolution that is in their best interest, that they are comfortable with, and both of those parties need to have an understanding and an agreement. That's not always easy to do, and occasionally it's impossible to do, and that's when the court system breaks the tie, if you will, or makes the decision. But it is generally the goal to try to avoid that. Not only is it best to have parties in control of their own destiny, making their own decisions rather than let a judge make decisions, but going to court tends to be quite costly. In order to come to that resolution that is best for your client, it's important to be able to understand all the different circumstances that arise. It's about an end result that allows their lives to continue in a fashion that they feel comfortable with, both personally and financially.